Welcome to workout 1 of your Les Mills 28-day body combat training program. Hi, I'm Dan.
And I'm Rach. This quick 7-minute workout will give you a taste of what body combat is all about.
Make sure you got a towel, a water bottle, and room to move. All right, let's go.
All right, front stance, boxing guard. Hands up, crunch. We're gonna get those abs firing for our boxing warm-up. Start with the abs, add the jabs, right, left, left. Throw your hands up, knuckles to nose, nice and soft at the elbow, release the heel and drop. Boxing warm-up to lift the heart rate. Right foot forward, combat stance, uppercut, right, left. So the uppercut is a vertical punch. It goes to chin height. It goes up. Is that getting faster? Is it getting faster? It is, right? All right, let's bend our knees. Let's get those shoulders rolling. Let's get into the core. Oh yeah, and hands up, because we're about to move off the spot. Are you ready? Double jab cross. Go. Shuffle back. Do it again. Right, left. Straight down the line. Knuckle to nose. Release the heel. And drop. Down. Push. Go. All right, now in boxing, it's really important to drop your shoulders from your ears and throw that punch. Loosen up. Nice. Last one. Hook right, hook left. Jack your feet. In and out, in and out. All right, so the hook is about 90 degrees and you target between the temple and the jaw using the big knuckle. Alternatively, inside body combat, you can always sit down into a squat if you want to take the impact away. Feel free to stay up high. One more time. Butt backing down when you sit. One hook. Good job. Front stance, crunch. Let's see how mean you can look. Do the Dan eyebrow. Now add those jabs, How's it feel second time around? Looser? Feel like you throw those hands? This is my favorite bit, ready? So we learn how to throw punches in boxing, but we need to learn how to move our head off 12 o'clock. You got it. Left foot forward, combat stance, uppercut. This is possibly one of the harder boxing moves to master. So here's a few tips. You throw your hand from in front of the rib cage up and never behind. How's that feel? Feels faster. All right. We're about to turn the workup up. Heads up, 76. Coming at ya. In 4, 3, double jab, cross, go! I like this. On that cross, release your heel, drop down on the punch, and get ready to focus. I knew you'd like that. I wasn't excited about doing that whatsoever. Not my favorite moment. Last one. All right, here comes those hooks. Around, get the jacks going. Trying to pump the heart rate up. Bend your knees. And again, if you do want to sit down and squat, brace your abs and push your butt back. Press it up, let's go. A good hook is when the elbow's just a little bit higher than the rest. Almost time to hand you over to Dan the man. One hook.
Beautiful. All right, let's get the heart rate up. Easy job. Right, left. We're going to take the heart rate up, then bring it down, then take it up again. Lift your knees.
Hold up, let me see about us. Let me see about us. Let me see about us.
We're going to learn some lower body strikes. Step left, side kick right. 1, 2, then step backwards. Let the chest rotate. And as you step out, turn the toe, bend the knee. Elbow just tucked in, and then naturally relax your arms. Out, in, retract kick. Now, set up roundhouse, right. Step back. Same thing with the foot. It turns, so you put all the weight on your back leg. Easy roundhouse low, hands up. Striking low, but lifting the chest high. One more. Heart rate up. Run! Knees up. Arms. Warming up the muscles in the leg. Lifting up the heart rate. Round two. Step right, side kick leg. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The toe turns down as you strike. That activates the glutes. It also allows you to lean away more. One more. Set up, left roundhouse. Knee and shin near parallel to the ground. Last one. Extend arm, kick low. Out and back. Now step back into a wide stance. Come around the body. Run! Take a deep breath now. Low exhalation. Higher. Okay. Slow down. Drop low. Feet wide. 2 jumps right. Jump back. 2 right knees. 1 front kick. Land and go again. On the knee, bring the knee up towards the belly button and then swing the arm down on the kick. Get ready to change side. Go. Land with both feet together. Soft hands, soft legs, lift, out in drop. Warming up the hamstrings, warming up the core, warming up the lower back. New move. Double right knee, go, jump wide freeze, change. Little reaction training. Go, boom, freeze, go. Knees out, abs brace. Now add a little bounce. We're mobilizing through the hips. Feet together.
Awesome. That's your first Body Combat workout in the bag.
Great work. We hope you enjoyed workout 1.
In workout 2, we'll work more on your technique.
Making sure your moves are more accurate and effective. See you then.